This is one of the easiest and most colorful craft projects I've ever made. And the funny part is, I didn't even come up with it. My daughter showed me how to make these flowers from pipe cleaners. I immediately knew this was perfect for the channel. It's cheap, it's easy, and it actually looks great when you're done. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to make beautiful pipe cleaner flowers that anyone can do. No glue, no special tools, and no crafting experience needed. This is a great little hobby project if you just want to make something fun with your kids. I will leave a link to these pipe cleaners in the description. Just take your time. This part is really calming. You can already see it starting to take shape. This is one of those simple steps that feels satisfying. You can do this at your own pace, no stress. This is a good moment to relax and enjoy the craft. This is where the design really comes alive. This color combination was one of my favorites so far. If you enjoy simple hobby projects like this one, give the video a like, it really helps the channel.
Once you get the motion down, it flows easily. It's fun to experiment with color and shape. I like how the colors come together. See how the individual shapes add up to the whole flower.
And that's the finished flower. Subscribe to HobbyJohnDo for more easy DIY crafts and hobby ideas.
This part is really simple. You can't really do this wrong. If it looks a bit messy, that's fine. Don't worry if it looks uneven, that's part of the charm. Just a couple more tweaks and we're almost there.
You can mix colors, make different sizes, and mix all of them together to make a small bouquet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!